Yeah. Good morning, everybody. Thank you, Vasu. Thank you, Aryan Bhai, for giving me this opportunity to join you for the webinar. I'm going to start sharing my screen for you. Hello, everyone. This is Vinay Nandwana from PIMCO Machines. I hope you're getting my screen. I'll be switching off my video for the better communication. Okay. So I'll start. Good morning, everybody. PIMCO. PIMCO was established in the year 1975 and started manufacturing many granulators. Incessant yearning for development has today made the company proficient in manufacturing the smallest and biggest granulators with precision. We are one of the leading manufacturers and exporters of plastic recycling machineries. PIMCO's range of product has been exported to 42 different countries. Repeated orders are testimony of our quality, reliability, and dependability. We are manufacturers and exporters of plastic recycling machineries like granulators, color mixers, hydraulic lump cutters, single screw recycling extruders, agglomerators, knife sharpeners, pulverizers for PVC, slow and medium speed granulators for online grinding, universal staggered granulators, lumps, pipes, shredders. PIMCO has come to occupy a premier position in the field of plastic recycling machines with a wide range of granulators, shredders, and mixers. The company's wide range of machineries with a wide variety of models has made it capable to offer different possible solutions to the plastic reprocessing industry's growing demands. We manufacture custom-built granulators also for various different applications. With technological expertise built over 4 decades of experience, PIMCO can meet major requirement of plastic industry for recycling of plastic waste. Constant development, upgrading products, and giving new products to the market is PIMCO's main theme. PIMCO is first on many occasions to give granulator with panels and safety devices, wet granulators, universal staggered granulators. Transformation of the economy from limited to a globally integrated one has given the company opportunity to build competitive capabilities. A conscious effort to induce professionalism at all levels has been the company's winning point. PIMCO has and will continue to achieve and keep pace with the global standards, inspire trust among its customers, motivate its employees to perform at its optimum, and technologically upgrade itself with the ever-evolving market conditions to play the role of leaders in granulators. PIMCO is an ISO 9001-2000 certified organization. Our range of products includes tougher series granulators. They are in 33 different models with output ranging of 12 kgs per hour to 1500 kgs per hour. We have dry color mixers, conical and vertical rack for mixing master batch with the virgin materials. They are in different capacities from 25 kg per batch to 200 kgs per batch. We have a 250 kg per hour cubicle mixers. We have agglomerators in 3 different models, 50 kg per hour to 200 kg per hour. We manufacture single screw recycle extruder with pelletizers in 4 different capacities from 30 kg per hour to 200 kg per hour. We have hydraulic lump cutters to slice small lumps. We have knife sharpeners to resharpen the blades. We have slow and medium speed granulators in 3 different models for online grinding of industrial plastic rejects. We offer various wet granulators from 30 kg per hour to 600 kg per hour. We also offer low noise granulators and pulverizers for PVC from 100 kg per hour to 500 kg per hour. We offer inline, offline, trim sheet rejects granulator with BFDs. We also offer single shift shredders for lumps, thick walled PE and PVC pipes, also raffia baled waste. Raffia. As you know, raffia has various applications, like in the food industry, pharma industry, agro fertilizer industry, petrochemical industry, cement industry, etc. Raffia is made from PP and HDP grade material. Depending on the application, it is laminated if required. PIMCO granulators are proven most efficient in grinding raffia waste. Our granulators are with specially designed cutting chambers to avoid winding of raffia threads or tapes on the granulator shafts, thus avoids frequent jamming and trouble-free operation of the machine. We also give single shaft shredders, which are also efficient for dry shredding of raffia waste in bulk. Normally, wet grinders are recommended for soiled bags. So, what is a wet granulator? It is a single-step grinding and pre-washing of dirty, soiled and raffia bags. Easy collection of grinded flakes at one end and discharge of the dirty water at the other end with the use of screw conveyor. After grinding, the material is conveyed directly to the GMS washing and recycling line for continuous process, saving labor and material. Continuous waterfall will keep the cutting chamber cool. Pressure washing during grinding ensures maximum cleaning of dirty waste in one cycle and saves labor and improves the quality. No dusting is there during grinding due to continuous water flow. Material doesn't get degraded as there is no heating of material in the grinding process. Dirty raffia bags need to be ground first in granulator, then washed, dried and recycled for clean granules. Granulators are suitable for wet granulators are suitable for raffia bags, PET bottles, PP battery cases, oil cans, etc. PIMCO offers various models with different capacities to match GMS recycling machines out. This is how generally a raffia granulator looks. There is a feeding. You can see the feeding mouth. There is a water inlet from here, and the grinded material is coming out from here. That chips will fall from here, and the dirty water will be drained from this part. And you can see there is a pipeline connection which will drain the water again. PIMCO also offers dry granulators. They are equipped with blowers, conveyors, and metal detectors, which is basically for factory or clean waste. Factory or clean waste can be directly recycled on GMS recycling machine after grinding in PIMCO granulators. PIMCO granulators can be supplied with conveyor for auto feeding of raffia waste to the granulator. PIMCO granulator is attached with suitable capacity of blower for material suction and transportation to GMS recycle machine force feed. Conveyor can be equipped with metal detector for granulator and extruder safety. Metal detector will ensure no foreign material entering both the machines. Use of conveyor and blower will ensure single operation of grinding and recycling machine, making the operation fully automatic, reducing labor and material wastage. We at PIMCO supply good quality granulators with scissor cutting actions with different output capacities. Granulators are fitted with good quality blades with proper heat treatment for longer blade life and good quality grind. PIMCO can offer various capacity granulator models to match GMS recycling machines output and can be synchronized for complete automation. This is how is the construction of a granulator with a blower and silo. You can see there is a conveyor for material feeding. Then there is a feeding point of the granulator. Then we have a suction blower connected with the cyclone. This cyclone can be either put on the GMS recycling force feeder or the material can be collected in the silo. PIMCO offers single shaft shredders. Single shaft shredders are specifically designed for size reductions of plastic lumps, thick pipes, baled raffia bags, etc. Shredder is effectively designed to occupy minimum floor space and work on minimum power. The shredder is also equipped with a powerful sensor to protect the machine against overloading and jamming. Special designed rotor for RFID application with Z-type screen is there. All four sides of the rotor blades can be used, thus lowering the running cost and reducing the downtime. Shredder can be combined with granulator using belt conveyor or screw conveyor. We offer shredder in 4 different models from 100 kg per hour to 500 kg per hour. This is the general layout of a shredder with a conveyor and a granulator, which we offer in the combination. Pimco has been exporting their products for last many years. We have our exports to around 42 countries. Thank you. This comes to the end of my presentation, and we will get back to you with the question answer session. I am keeping this screen on for some time, so you can just take the link for the videos of our combination with the GMS recycle line. Thank you very much. Thank you.